Hello friends, welcome back to Let's Talk channel. सधैँ जसो आज पनि हामी तपाईहरुलाई इंग्लिश ल्याङ्ग्वेज इम्प्रुभ गर्न हेल्प हुने भिडियो लिएर आएका छौं। आज हामी फेरि फ्रेजल भर्बको पार्ट 3 लिएर आएका छौं। हाम्रो भिडियोहरु हेर्नको लागि तल लेट्स टक लेखेको च्यानलमा क्लिक गर्नुहोला। The first phrasal verb for today is hand in, which means to give or submit. For example, I submitted my homework in time can be restructured as I handed in my homework in time. The second phrasal verb is go through, which means to check, examine or search. I checked my desk looking for the letter can be restructured as I went through my desk looking for the letter. Similarly, put off means to postpone. We have had to postpone our wedding until Wednesday can be restructured as we had to put off our wedding until September. The next phrasal verb for today is get down to, which means to begin working seriously. For example, let's begin to work can be restructured as let's get down to work. Similarly, get through means to consume. He consumes 2 bottles of wine a day can be restructured as he gets through 2 bottles of wine a day. Get by means to survive. How does she survive on such a small salary can be restructured as how does she get by such a small salary. Similarly, take down means to remove. The sentence she made us remove all the posters can be restructured as she made us take down all the posters. Brush off means to ignore. I ignore rude comments can be restructured as I brush rude comments off. Similarly, cut down means to reduce. Reduce your overall amount of physical activity can be restructured as cut down your overall amount of physical activity. Put up means to tolerate. I can't tolerate it any longer can be restructured as I can't put up with it any longer. The next phrasal verb be along means arrive. I expect John will arrive soon can be restructured as I expect John will be along soon. Similarly, hold up means to wait. Wait a minute, I want to check something can be restructured as hold up a minute, I want to check something. The next phrasal verb rely on means to depend on something or somebody. You can depend on me for help can be restructured as you can rely on me for help. Similarly, wears out mean exhaust. My boots are beginning to exhaust can be restructured as my boots are beginning to wear out. It's time for revision. I will give you 10 seconds. Let's see how many phrasal verbs you can remember. Time's up. Now let's go through the phrasal verbs we learned today. Hand in, go through, put off, get down to, get through, take down, brush off, cut down, put up, be along, hold up, rely on, wears out. Now let's see if you can guess the phrasal verb from the meanings or not. Submit, check, postpone, start, consume, survive, remove, ignore. Submit is the meaning of hand in, check, means to go through. Postponed, put off. Start, get down to. Consume, get through. Survive, get by. Remove, take down. Ignore, brush off. Let's try with the remaining meanings as well. Tolerate, arrive, wait, depend on, exhaust, reduce. Tolerate is the meaning for put up. Arrive means be along. Wait, hold up. Depend on, rely on. Exhaust, wears out. Reduce, cut down. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and please do comment if you have any suggestions. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel to support us. Thank you. Take care.